Hi everyone, welcome to OVR Chef. I'm the OVR guy, and as you can see we have here a new package which contains an Nespresso Series espresso machine. This isn't the newest model by Nespresso, but it is a very popular model that received several updates over the years, and after reviewing several other machines by Nespresso, I realized that other machines generates the same quality of coffee, but each has its own small tweaks that makes it suitable for different uses. So to learn more about the Series machine, let's not waste any time and unpackage it! Well boys and girls, this was my video review of the Nespresso Series coffee maker. For further details about it, please check the video's description. If this video was helpful and you enjoyed watching it, I invite you to give it a like. Also, I invite you to subscribe to my YouTube channels, follow me on the other social networks, and visit my website originalvideoreviews.com. I would like to thank you for watching another great video by Original Video Reviews. Until next time, bye bye!